been having lots of questions on the SML. Yes, the SML is still going. Yes, we're working on them. Yes, we're going to be doing even more testing. This is the next one up on testing. This is Jake Rodriguez's. I am I'm behind, and Jake's a great guy, and he's been super patient. And I was hoping to probably get this on a dyno this week, but I think we're going to get it on the dyno next week. But we're also in process, so check this out. I mean, this thing is super cool. All billet, fully water jacketed, drag and drive, 3,000 plus horsepower. If you want to learn more about this, all you got to do is just go to our website and you can see the extra head studs. Not extra teeny weeny little stupid head studs, but actual altered head stud pattern, all half-inch head studs. Not little one here, and half-inchers over here. No, it's an altered, changed head stud pattern to clamp cylinder heads on to avoid the head gasket issues. So we'll be dynoing, be testing this at bigger horsepower levels, trying to make it in that 3,500 horsepower range with Jake's engine. And I have several of these things going. So I was going to show you, we're building or working on the billet heads right now and show you how that all works. Alright, we got Dewey in here inspecting stuff. This is the next three SML billet blocks. You want to check that out real close. Full billet, obviously. Water jacketed. This is water in, water out. Still takes some LS componentry. Yeah, exactly. And then, yeah, back the dog up. And water jacket all through here. Now, notice that altered head bolt pattern. I talk about this all the time, but it is important. There's actually a head stud that goes right here through the intake port, and we'll show you that on the cylinder heads here. Half-inch head stud here, half-inch head stud here. Revised, moved these in so it's a more symmetrical pattern all the way around. Ultimate cylinder head clamping for LS. Dewey, clicking the camera. So, ultimate cylinder head clamping there. You can look at the mains here. Awesome stuff, all half-inch. This is, point blank is the best LS based, LS style. You can drop this engine in. You cannot use my block with any other LS head. It has a different head bolt pattern. You can't use my heads with any other block. But you can drop this in, replace your LS7, LSX, whatever you got, and your hot side, cold side, everything's going to line up. That's pretty nice. So, over here, got SMX blocks over here, obviously in process. And that SMX block over there is going back up in the machine, working on some lifter stuff that I've been showing. And then we'll go over that when I get the lifter and everything all sorted out with it. This SMX for Alan Whitaker, we're clearancing this up right now, trying to have that done this week. But here, back to the SML heads. This is what it starts out as. This great big piece of aluminum. First process right here, and we'll show you some of this machining, turns it into this, or you can see it better right here. Start putting in the base head bolt pattern, fixturing holes, everything that's there. So you can see the head bolt pattern. These are not drilled through because they're used for fixturing. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 half-inch head studs. So you can see how this all machines in the bottom stuff. So then we can put this in the fixture plate into the centroid. So it goes in here as a square block. Machines to this, everything that needs to be done on the bottom that we can't get once this is fixture plated. Then it goes over here in the fixture plate. Then it'll come right over here into this fixture plate. And you gotta keep in mind this is yeah, Brock's looking at me, he's going, don't touch the wrong button. Anyways, so I come over here and I spin stuff around. I hit A- or A+, and it makes it spin. That is pretty much the extent of my knowledge of running this particular machine. I can figure it out, but I don't want to. So anyways, the cylinder head goes in here and up on this fixture, so that combustion chamber is facing this way, and we'll show you that here just a little bit too, as we're getting those cylinder heads that get the bottoms machined out and the old machine that come over here for all 5-axis work. Very cool stuff. Watch these things, how they cut. It's pretty interesting. Ooh, that is freaking heavy. I wonder how much that weighs. We should weigh this.
Should weigh a blank one too before.
That is an awkward freaking angle to pick that up on. All right, let's grab that and go weigh it. I think we did this before where I
Weighed it?
yeah, weighed it pre and post.
Is that with yeah, that is an SML.
Yeah, we should have done it with the SMX head too. Well, we can do a post because this is the SML head that's all done. Whoa, swing. Back to the Wayne's World reference. And you can see the hoops are not in it yet, but it's all machined for it. This is yep, valve job. Just have to touch up, blend in the valve seats and the valve job into it. We have our own valve train. Manton does our own valve train for this whole project. O-ring, exhaust ports. You can see that because we've moved the pattern, this is a 1/2-inch head stud, not that little wussy 3/8 looking 10mm stud. We've moved the pattern, especially these two holes, so it does come up and it makes this really close intersection right here. So a little close right there, but is what it is. And this whole thing is solid. So everything in this deck surface there is nothing in this deck surface that is less than about 1.5 inches thick of billet. Ultimate clamping force. Very good port design, obviously. Combustion chamber design, but built to be able to take the boost that we can put at all this stuff. Because we can make horsepower. Making horsepower is easy. Making it live is hard. Now, Dewey is mad at this block. Hey, that thing's sharp. No, you're going to hurt yourself. Go away. Go play with your toy. We'll go weigh this thing and see what it weighs. Hey, for all you members, going to do a little guessing competition for you. The final head weighs 33 pounds. Okay? The final head, all machined, ready to go, weighs 33 pounds. Showing that on a scale. What I'm not going to show you is how much does the block of material weigh before machining. Whoever's the closest at guessing at that, puts it in the comments here. I'm just going to send you a t-shirt, any t-shirt that you want. No charge, no shipping, no nothing. You just guess that, and I'll send you out a t-shirt. Now, what you're going to see is we're going to release this video with all the final numbers to the general public later. So don't bother guessing if it's out on the major thing. That's why you kind of keep on checking. Plus, I have some other stuff I'm going to show you. And be patient. If you just are just waiting here and you're thinking every day I'm going to show you some kind of video of top secret stuff and how I'm building stuff, I can't do that. A channel membership would be like $1,000 a month because I can't correlate all that. But I do want to show you stuff. I do want to help you guys out. Want to give you some free tech stuff. And as we can do little things, we're always going to do it. And I do appreciate all you guys. Just bear with me, be patient, because we do some cool giveaway stuff. And you can't just come out, because you have to be a solid member for the last month in order to be able to even participate in it. So anyways, guess how much this piece of material weighs. The final product, 33 pounds. How much does the block weigh?